absolute pure relief to see those last elephants leave their crates, and then when they were all reunited back as a family, it was like they'd never left each other. They were just straight into communicating, ear flapping, all these beautiful behaviours. It was perfect.
Well done, Big Mama.
Seeing the ear flapping, touching with each other with their trunks, getting close, talking to each other, just beautiful behaviour that just shows us that they're a really bonded unit. All these things that we know show us that they're content and that they're confident and they're happy and like they're thriving. And that's what we've done this for. They were celebrating, and they were celebrating coming together again, just enjoying this new surroundings.